Alright guys, we're up here with the Propel Maximum. This is going to be my second flight with this thing, and since it's raining I can't go out and fly the Mavic Pro. I gotta fly this. So, I don't have a choice, man. Oh, here's the calibration button on here. There it goes. Let's take off. Now we're in the first rate. Let's go up to the third rate. Now when I flew this outside, this thing flew great, man. So I'm not expecting it to do anything different in here. Should be better. Oh yeah. Does great flips, no doubt. The flips for the kiddies, it does them good. This thing is very agile in this third rate, and it's really fast and really smooth. Very nice. Look how smooth the turns are. Just like that, smooth as glass. Smooth as butter. Oh, I got a light burned out over there. Look at that. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. This thing is, man, I'm telling you what, for a $20 toy, this thing is nice. For a $20 toy, this thing is really nice. Really nice. Let's get it to calm down here a little bit. Its trim is going off on it a little bit. Wow. Yeah, it's walking away on me. Oh, that's all right. We'll get it back in there, which we did. Which we did. There we go. Yeah, this is really a sweet little quadcopter, man. For for 20 bucks, hell yeah. This is nice. This is one of the best ones Propel makes, man, I'm telling you. They had that Spider, but this is better than that. This Propel Spider I did a video on about 3 years ago. And it was very similar to this one, but this one flies a lot better than that did. This one here, it holds the altitude good too. It doesn't do that dive bombing in to the ground like a lot of them do. You know, like I said before, a lot of those ones that whenever you make a big turn going fast, they'll dive down into the ground. Well, the first time you do that, you're not ready for that to happen. So, I mean, if you know going in that it's going to fly like that, then you're ready for it. Then you can adjust to that. You know, okay, I know when I make this turn, you know, I'm going to have to push up on the throttle a little bit to keep it from going down to the ground. The problem is you don't know it until you fly them that it does that. So you go out and fly it for the first time, it does it, and it crashes right into it nosedives right into the ground because you're not ready for that to happen. I've had a lot of quads do that. Battery's holding up pretty good. Okay, so those lights are flashing there in the front. Now, I don't remember if they were flashing before. Okay, so that was the last flip. That one I just did, as soon as I did that, that was the end of it right there. So I'm on the low battery warning, and I can't let it just fall out of the sky because there is a little bit of water there in the pool down there because I drained the pool to clean it, but there's a little bit of water down there in the bottom, so I can't let it just fall in the pool because I don't want it to get wet, because I really like this thing. This is a great little indoor toy to have. So I can sit on the couch and fly this thing. Whoa, that thing almost hit me. Oh. Now, that was pretty damn close, okay? That was real close. Okay, there it is. Now, there's a Wi-Fi antenna on here for whatever reason. They must have one of these that have a camera. But, so they just put the Wi-Fi antenna on all of them. The ones with the camera and the ones without. All right, guys, there you go. Propel Maximum. This is a great, great toy for the money. All right, guys, have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.